Hi, my name is Matt Carrizales. I'm a senior sous chef at Park's Edge Bar and Kitchen here in Herne Hill.
Here at Park's Edge we cook a lot of English seasonal products, a lot of sauces, a lot of fusion dishes, sort of utilize other countries' techniques and flavors to elevate English seasonal products. That's what we do here. So the mac and cheese is a new dish. It's not like a traditional mac and cheese where it's a thick bechamel cheese sauce or Mornay sauce. We start with a really nice crab stock, which we also infused with scallop roes and lobster bones as well. So it's just really nice shellfish stock, I guess. There's a lot of fennel seed and brandy. We also make our own ketchup, house ketchup, which we use instead of a tomato paste to give the stock a bit of color. It's got white crab meat in it as well. And then it's just topped off with a really nice crumb, which is made from seaweed and a bit of curry powder and panko breadcrumbs. And then it just has some basil, which really hits off the flavors of the shellfish, and some salmon roe. Basically, we thicken the mac and cheese to give it that mac and cheese consistency with brown crab meat to keep it a bit light, a bit fresher.